So good evening, sir. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. And what about you?
Uh, I am good.
Okay, as you know, we are meeting very first time. Can I have your introduction?
Yes,
So, can I have your introduction?
yes. As you know, my name is Satisfaction in English, and some people call me Santosh Kumar. Uh, I am from UP district Lakhimpur. By profession, I am English teacher. English is being taught by me in a private school. When we talk about my hobbies are reading different types of religious books like Gita, Quran, Bible, etc. So recently, I have started my YouTube channel. That name is English Spoken with Blesser, where I upload English content videos so that people can learn this beautiful language very easily. So that's a little bit about us. So please, I think it's your turn.
Yeah, it was a wonderful introduction. So
Yeah,
let me introduce myself. My name is Mamta Yadav. I hail from Haryana. As a professor, I am a computer instructor, and as well as I
yeah,
am a YouTuber. So I also
yeah,
upload English content. Not English content. I only upload conversation videos on my YouTube channel. Earlier, I used to
yeah,
upload grammar portion, but not now because it
yeah,
doesn't work alone. So that's
yeah,
why I upload only conversation videos.
yeah.
So that's all about
So
myself.
that's really great. Now you are working very hard.
Yeah, I'm
It's been,
trying to learn this language.
yeah.
But still, I have
So
notebooks. So I was making notes when you wrote the message in the group. So I
yeah,
thought,
yeah.
why should I connect with you first? Then I will continue. Okay, sir. As you told me, you are an English teacher. So where are you lacking behind?
So I didn't get it. So please repeat me again because your voice, you know,
Okay,
is
as
not
you
coming
told
properly.
me, as you
Yeah,
told me, you are
yeah.
an English teacher, and English is being taught by you in
Start.
the private school.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so what is the need to come here and to learn this language in spite of English teacher?
Oh, it is a very interesting question you, ma'am, ask me. So, being an English teacher, it doesn't matter that whether you are a teacher or doctor or any, but it's matter a lot. English is not my mother tongue. So,
Yeah, that's it.
although I'm a teacher, English being taught by me in a private school. I've been teaching since 2010. So, but when I come to know that it is very important for you, only teaching is not enough to make your
Yeah, right.
career. If you are a good speaker, you can go anywhere. You can suppose that you can get the chance to visit America or anywhere where is English being spoken. So I think what you will do with your native tongue. So
Yeah,
that's why
we can't communicate
uh,
with other countries' peoples, and we were not, we would not able to convey our thought. How will we survive over there? So it's uh, necessary. So I'm agree with you. Okay, and my
Ji.
next question is: it's been, I think, 15 years to teach English language. So
Sorry, ma'am, I'm feeling a thought problem. So please,
okay,
yeah,
so as you told, you have been around 15 years to teach English language in a private school. Okay,
yeah,
so it's
definitely,
a
ma'am.
great experience, a huge experience which you have achieved. So
Yeah.
in those time, uh, have you ever faced any challenges because of English language while teaching the
Yes, since
students?
yeah. Since no, I haven't faced any type of because before teaching in the class, I prepared the lesson which I wanted to teach in the class. So I think it's my habit. Without empty handed, what you will do in the in the war.
Yeah, yeah.
So I think
You come
yeah.
every time prepared. You come prepared.
Yeah, because yeah,
Oh, it,
yeah, ma'am, I would like to share my daily routine. So, when I was a child, No, so it's my habit. Uh, I used to get up early in the morning, and after getting up early in the morning, I pray to the God for sometimes, and then I go to morning walk, and there I run 2 or 3 kilometers as much as time I have, and then I started my yoga. After doing my yoga, I teach my kids, and then I start study how much time I have. I never miss even a single day for practice. So now I'm
Okay.
able to teach any types of English book. Whether I'm able to teach with confidently any types of English book because
Okay.
I give more important to my practice.
Okay. But in school, you teach only syllabus books, not other books. You can't teach.
Yeah, I can teach Hindi medium, English medium, any types of medium book. But it book should be in English.
Okay. Okay. Um, do you miss sometimes it happens when we are teacher and some students ask sometimes they ask awkward questions to us. Have you
Yeah, yeah.
ever faced this types of issue?
No,
Somebody
ma'am, I
asks you
haven't.
a question and
Yes.
you are not
Yeah,
able
yes,
to
yeah.
answer that question in the
Yeah, I
class.
never, I think, yeah, I have never faced this type of problem because, because as I mentioned you earlier, yeah, I complete uh, those things which someone want to ask me. So because I think I am working very hard nowadays that you can guess, I think I can read the mind of the people very easily. It is the
Okay.
unique quality that God has gifted me. So I can, understand what you wanted to say, and I can recognize very easily.
Okay,
So
that's good. It's a good quality. I
yeah,
must say it's a good
I'm also
quality
a
in
mind
you.
reader. Yeah, I'm
Okay.
also my
Okay.
mind reader.
Okay. And have you applied this formula on your students? Since they don't have to speak in their native language when they are
Yeah,
in
yeah.
English
So
class.
yes.
So,
Oh, right, ma'am. I would like to tell you, I have taught those boys one who don't know ABC of the English language, and I also see good result in future. Even
okay.
you can say they are unable to write this in Hindi. So
Okay.
I think I have nothing but I have a bless of God.
Okay.
So that's why sometimes
Okay. Up to which means which standard do you teach?
play group to 12, and if there is need above intermediate classes and graduation class, I can teach because I think English as a language, one who doesn't know about English, whether it is any class doesn't matter, but I
So,
teach play group to inter.
okay. But like if we are teaching in school and there is limitations, they means we have been given only a 10 to 12 or it may be a first to 10th.
Yeah, yeah, because I
So
think it is very more yeah, ma'am, I so please repeat.
I was saying in the schools, teachers have been given particular classes. You have to teach only these classes, not other classes. Like
Yeah,
yeah, they say us, you have to teach only first standard to 10th standard.
yeah,
Okay.
first is standard,
Then
yes.
okay. So which standard do you like to teach?
I think 10 standard, and even because I think those boys are able to understand everything, and I think when you teach, when you would prefer to teach in little students, first standard boys, I think you will have to struggle because I think even they don't know how to get the ideas and how to understand catch the language of a teacher and what teacher wanted to say. So like this, everybody
Yeah.
wanted to teach in a very simple way.
Mature students. So yeah, you are right. if we
Yeah.
have to teach a smaller one, so we
Yeah.
have to face a lot, we can say, and we have to struggle with them because they don't
Struggle.
understand
Yeah.
our thoughts and we
You
can't
understand?
understand their thoughts and they are not able to get
Yeah.
the things what we
Yeah.
are
Yeah.
teaching them. So it's quite difficult to teach
Absolutely.
the smaller one,
Is
but it's
yeah.
easy. It's a cakewalk to teach the younger. So they are mature. They are enough mature. They can get our
Yeah.
things, what we want to teach them, and so they can also grab easily. So this
Yeah.
is the good
So
thing, and everybody wants to teach younger
yeah.
students.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. 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 So, ma'am, I have a question. So, I would like to ask you. So, please pay attention. I would like to draw your kind attention. So, let me know how did you learn English? It is a very
Yeah,
important question because most of the people want to know the answer of this question in different way.
okay, thank you very much for giving me opportunity to talk with my journey, English
Yes.
journey. So I
Yeah.
would like to say you, I had started my journey during Corona time, and
Yeah.
I learned everything through online, not offline. And still I am learning. It's been 4 years. I'm sticking with this language consistently, and yeah, I can say I'm not a good speaker of English language, but I can express my views in front of others and in front
Yeah.
of strangers, and I gain also confidence. So
Yeah.
I learned a lot, but it happened because of online, because of
Yeah.
YouTube. So
Yeah.
this is how I learned. But I did hard work.
Yeah.
Day and
So,
night,
really.
I did hard work. Really, I started from the zero level.
Yeah.
My level when I started learning English language, my level was totally zero. So
Yeah.
I could read, but I couldn't get the meaning.
Yeah.
What the
So, how do
sentence
you
is
practice?
saying.
Yeah. Yeah. How do you practice all and all, ma'am? So, I
Yeah,
think do you have any?
when
Yeah.
I have a partner. She's also a learner of English language, and we used to
Yeah.
converse with each other every day without giving a break. So
Yeah.
this is how we improve ourselves, and we come into a habit to speak this language. Otherwise, we couldn't able to speak this language.
Yeah.
So learning process is a long process, but the main thing is we have to start speaking with a little bit. We don't have to wait to learn all the grammars, rules, and vocabs and phrases, the idioms. Whatever we have to start, and then only
Yeah.
we can learn. And
Absolutely, ma'am. Absolutely,
simultaneously, we
ma'am.
can learn all the things.
Yes, ma'am. So, I think you have a YouTube channel, ma'am. You have
Yeah,
any YouTube channel?
I have also created my YouTube channel for my learning purpose. So because of
Yeah.
YouTube, I got lots of co-learners with whom I can converse and I can enhance myself. I can enhance my personality. So I am also learning this language. So it was my need to create a YouTube channel because everybody wanted to converse with
Yeah.
them who had a YouTube channel when I started conversing on the Skype app. So I started
Yeah.
conversing on Skype app on February 2024. So I noticed that everybody wants to talk with only YouTubers, nobody else. So
Yeah,
that's why
ma'am.
I created my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
it is
that's pretty
helping me
good.
to learn this language.
Yeah. So, ma'am, let me know how have you been running your YouTube channel?
Yeah, I don't think about the YouTube channel. It's just for learning purpose. So if I get
Yeah.
the views, okay. If I don't get the views, I don't have any
Yeah.
problem with that and also.
Yeah.
So
So, do
shall
you
we
have any
continue?
questions? So,
No sir, no sir. No.
Okay, ma'am. So thank you, because
Thank you
you.
very much, sir, for you as
Mhm.
well.
Yeah, and
So have a nice day,
thank you,
sir.
ma'am. Yeah, nice to meet you and meet you in future.
Yeah, I hope
Yeah,
I would
may God.
connect with you in future with
Yeah,
new
yeah.
topic.
May
Definitely.
may God bless you. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Bye.